Hello, Math in Action students. Today we're going to do day 2 of Should They File a Tax Return notes. So you should have already completed 1 through 4, and you probably already submitted those, or hopefully you did. If not, make sure you go back and do that. I've shared a new form with you, even though it's the exact same form. So this 1 through 4 will probably be blank, and that's okay, because it is a new form. But what your assignment is going to be for today is to complete numbers 5 and 6, and I'm going to also include 8 here. So if we just look at 5 here, you're going to talk about or learn about the difference between earned versus unearned income. If you click on this little link here, there's going to be a little, almost just like a little table that you can read through to learn the difference between the two. As always, if you want to use other resources as well, you can definitely Google the difference between the two to help your understanding. It's up to you. Question 1 says, in your own words, explain the main differences between earned and unearned. Then I asked, do you currently have any unearned income? Where do you get this money from? And what type of earned and unearned income do you think you will have in 10 years? Over on the side here too is a little Quizlet thing. It's earned versus unearned income. It's kind of just like a, here, maybe I can open it and show it to you. It's basically just like flashcards, just so you can help your understanding. You should think like, gosh, is trips earned or versus or unearned income? And I'd say, well, maybe I think it is earned. Well, perfect, I'm correct. So then I can go to the next one. Are wages earned or unearned? Well, those are earned income. Perfect. Here's another one. Social Security benefits. Are those earned or unearned? Well, those are unearned income. So again, I would encourage you to go through these 15 slides. Looks like there's just 15 of them, just so you get a better understanding of what is earned versus what is not earned, unearned income here. So that's number 5, just some stuff to read, questions to answer. On 6, here's a big one. This is an important topic or important area that I want you to spend some time on. So you're going to look at tax issues as dependent and self-employed workers. So as a teen, filing a tax return can be mostly a straightforward process. However, you may be wondering how that process changes if someone claims you as a dependent or if you are a self-employed worker. Let's read through these excerpts from 2 different articles to learn more about what to do in these scenarios, then answer the question. So again, you'll click on this blue link. It'll bring you to a couple articles. You'll read those. Then you're going to answer these questions. Says which of the following people is or are legally required to file a tax return. So when you're selecting whoever you want to select, let's just say I select the first one. I'm fine if you just want to go up and maybe highlight it just to show like that's the one I'm selecting. I'm not saying that's the one you select. You'll have to read through and determine that for yourself. You would then are going to go ahead and answer questions 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Again, it should be helpful to read that article in answering these, but as always, if you need to Google, that is just fine. Again, this is going to be an important idea of determining when to file a tax return or not just for your own life, but we're going to do an activity with that in our next lesson. So please make sure you have a good understanding of when and when not somebody should file their taxes. Answer through 6, skip 7. I do not need you to do 7, but I would like you to do 8 just as an exit ticket, just kind of summarizing what we've talked about or what we've learned through these notes. So again, once you are done watching this video, you get 10 points just for watching this very short video. You're going to go ahead and do number 5. I didn't scroll up far enough. 5, 6, skip 7, but do number 8. As always, if you have questions, email me at storeandflip@gmail.com. If not, have a great day and good luck working on this.